Hi, welcome to the tutorial on what is machine learning. At the end of this topic, you will be able to define machine learning and list a few applications of machine learning from your daily lives. Looking at the term, we can say machine learning is something related to learning of the machines or computers, which is in fact correct. By definition, machine learning is the ability of machines, that is, computers, to learn and improve from their past experience or data without being explicitly programmed. For better understanding, let's suppose you got admission into a new college and you're not sure about the fastest way to reach your college. On day 1, you take a bus and then an auto to reach your college and it takes you 50 minutes. Next day, that is on day 2, you take a metro train and then auto to reach your college and you notice that it takes you 40 minutes. On day 3, you're getting late for your college. You decide to take an auto directly to reach your college and say it takes you 35 minutes. Now suppose on day 4, you're running late for college and now you want to avail the modes of transport which will take the least time. So which option would you choose? Definitely you are going to choose option 3 or the mode of convenience used on day 3 because you have learned from your previous experiences that this is the fastest way to get to college and you're just using that knowledge for your future actions. Just like a human brain analyzes each scenario or event and learns from them and then improves or makes changes for the next occurrences, machines also learn from available data or events, identify patterns, and then make decisions to improve or predict the outcome automatically. We can rephrase our machine learning definition as machine learning is the ability of machines, that is computers or ideally computer programs, to learn from the past behavior or data and to predict the outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. We have understood what is machine learning. Now we will discuss few applications of machine learning in our day-to-day lives. In today's digital world, we are surrounded by data everywhere, be it walking into a departmental store or making a purchase online or searching anything on Google or using social media platforms like Facebook. There is a huge amount of data being generated every day, and machine learning algorithms are constantly analyzing and learning from this data to improve their future predictions and outcomes automatically. We will discuss about data in more detail a little later in the training. For now, let's continue our discussion on applications of machine learning. One of the common applications of machine learning is Facebook's newsfeed. This program uses machine learning to personalize the newsfeed for each Facebook user. Based on the user's action like commenting or liking certain news items shown in the feed, the newsfeed decides to show that user more or less similar kinds of news items in the future automatically. So what exactly happens behind the scenes? The newsfeed program learns about the behavior of the user based on the available Facebook data or events for that user and makes the prediction of which newsfeed to show or hide based on that user's activity. Let's have a look at one more Facebook feature which uses machine learning. When we upload a group photo of our friends on Facebook, what we find is that Facebook tags some of our friends automatically. So how is this thing possible when we haven't even tagged them? The answer to this again is machine learning. Previously, we must have uploaded some photos where we may have explicitly tagged those friends or someone else might have tagged them in some of their photos on Facebook. Facebook learns about those tagged faces using facial recognition algorithm, which is also a part of machine learning, and then recognizes those faces and tags them in our newly uploaded picture automatically. One more example of machine learning is when you browse for a particular product in any of the online portals like Amazon or Flipkart. You get to see recommendations or comparisons of similar products which you might be interested in. Or suppose you are buying a mobile phone. The portal recommends that you buy a tempered glass and mobile cover along with the phone, as most of the other customers also have bought them together. So you must be thinking, how did the portal become so smart and know about your likes and the products you would be interested in? The answer is again machine learning. The online portal used machine learning and learned about your likes and purchases based on your browsing and buying history, based on which the portal was able to recommend the products for you. Suppose you do not like those recommended products and browse for some other products. The portal using machine learning will learn about this and will make adjustments to the recommended list on a real-time basis. Machine learning is available everywhere and it has become an integral part of our daily life. Some more advanced applications of machine learning are identifying frauds in banking based on transaction behavior of the customers, sentiment analysis, that is, finding out the positive or negative sentiments about a product or a movie or an event based on the social media data, Amazon Go, that is, an automated grocery store where no human intervention is required. The customer just needs to select the product and walk out of the store. The rest would be taken care of automatically based on machine learning. Chatbots, that is a program that automatically replies to the customer's queries. And self-driven cars, the cars being driven by machines and require no human drivers. The applications of machine learning is growing day by day. The machines are getting smarter and predicting more accurately, and the day is not far when we will be competing with machines and there would be minimalistic human efforts involved. That's it in this tutorial. See you in the next one.